Let's just play blocks.
Okay, now we are going to play Tetris Tower. I choose blue and red.
I didn't even get a choice.
And yeah, the other two colors is yours, yellow and green. And whoever lose,
Those three things.
bring
the
2
other person
items
says.
the other person asked during the day. Okay. So whoever ruins the tower is the loser.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Does that count as a
No,
lose?
that's not ruining.
That counts as a
No.
lose.
Ruin means ruin. The whole pieces will fall down.
Nope. I think he loses. If you agree with me, like. But if you agree with him,
Go on.
if you agree with me, subscribe. If you agree
Oh,
with
that was my place.
Ha ha ha. I'm gonna win, guys. I don't even know why you're even thinking that he might win. I'm true. This is way off balance. Okay. I'm the true person that will win. Why are you laughing?
It was about the fall.
I don't know what you're talking about. That was about the ball. You gave me like the worst pieces.
No, we choose the colors, not the pieces.
I didn't. I
Go on.
didn't get to even choose the colors.
Go on. She's finding excuses for her. If she loses, she will say that, oh, you did give me the...
I'm serious though, guys. He didn't even let me be able to pick what color I wanted. He just
No holding. Okay, if it's fall down, you won't hold. You will not try to stop the distraction.
I wasn't even holding it.
Ah!